Crying by Zach Bryan is going to be played in standard tuning, and for it you will need to know just 4 chords: an E minor, a G major, a C major, and a D major. Then there's also a little riff that happens. The strumming pattern is pretty consistent through the entire song. It is a down, down, up, 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 down, with a quick kind of just flick of your wrist. Down, down, up, 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 down. All right, the intro is going to be in E minor. You're going to need an open 6 string, your second finger on the 5 string 2 fret, your ring finger on the 4 string 2 fret, open 3, open 4, open 3, open 2, open 1. There's your E minor. Now in this chord, in the intro and kind of the break chords, you can hear that on the down, down, up, down, on the back, down, up, down, so down, and then the down, up, down part. You can hear a hammer-on that is happening in all of these chords. In the E minor, it's going to be the ring finger that gets lifted off of the 4 string and then hammered back down on the 4 string 2 fret. So you hear how I'm inside of the bigger E minor chord. So that's happening in the E minor. The G chord, you're going to move to your ring finger going down on the 6 string 3 fret. Your second finger will remain on the 5 string 2 fret, open 4 string, open 3, open 2, and if you want to pull your pinky finger back to the 1 string 3 fret, feel free. Now in this chord, the hammer-on that you're going to hear is the second finger lifting off of the 5 string to open the 5 string and then hammer back down on the 5 string 2 fret inside of the G chord. So E minor, to the G, C chord, 4th chord of the song, ring finger and second fingers shift down a set of strings. So your ring finger is now on the 5 string 3 fret, your second finger is on the 4 string 2 fret, open 3 string, first finger pulled back to the 2 string 1 fret, and if you want to let the open 1 string ring out, feel free. Do not hit the open 6 string though. In this chord, the exact same feel, except for now it's your second finger that is lifting and hammering back down from the open 4 string to the 4 string 2 fret. So you've got the E minor, to the G, to the C, then we come back down and hit this G note on the 6 string 3 fret. I'm hitting that with my ring finger. And we hit a little riff. So after I hit the 6 string 3 fret, my pinky finger comes to the 2 string 3 fret. I pluck it, and I immediately slide it up to the 2 string 5 fret. And then come right back down with your pinky finger to the 2 string 3 fret. Strike that, and then open up the 2 string. So you've got and then after that open 2 string, that open B note, you're going to hit a D chord. So you'll have an open 4 string. You'll have your first finger down on the 3 string 2 fret. You'll have your ring finger down on the 2 string 3 fret. And you'll have your second finger down on the 1 string 2 fret. Though honestly, I don't hear that 1 string 2 fret ring out that often, but I'm pretty sure it's down there. Same picking pattern, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Here, if you want to mimic that same hammer-on feel that we've been doing in the E minor, the C, the E minor, the G, and the C chord, if you want to mimic that by lifting your first finger off of the 3 string 2 fret and hammering it down, you can, but I don't hear that happening, but it feels natural to continue that feel, or it seems natural to me to continue that feel into the D chord, but I don't think that Zach Bryan is doing that. All right, so whenever we get into the verse is just those chords over and over again. I don't hear the hammer-on happening in the chords of the verse. It's mainly just the strumming pattern on the chords. To the G, to the D. So I will say that in the verse, where in the intro we come back to the G and hit that riff, in the verse that's just a G chord that's happening. So like E minor, to the G chord, to the C chord, to the G chord, to the D chord. And that's your verse round. Whenever we get to the chorus will be the C chord, to the G chord, to the D chord, to the E minor chord, to the C chord, to the G chord, to the D chord, and let the D chord hold, decay, and ring. And there's some vocals that are happening there. And then at the end of that 4 count, I'm sure it's ringing for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, back into the E minor. So again, in the chorus, I don't hear the hammer-ons happening. They may be happening sporadically, but I don't hear that hammer-on. I just hear. So do the hammer-on if you want or not. Whenever we cycle back around to the intro, it's the same thing as before. The E minor to the G to the C, back down to the G note, and then the riff. And you can see that my right hand, I'm just down picking those notes. And I'm really kind of breaking across muted strings before I get to the 2 string and get to that planted pinky finger. So, those are the chords and the movements to Flying or Crying by Zach Bryan. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to approach the song.